Sceptre monitors are experiencing widespread power management issues that affect productivity and user experience. These problems manifest as unexpected auto sleep activation and sudden shutdowns across multiple model lines. The root causes include signal detection failures, power supply instability, overheating, firmware bugs, and cable degradation. Understanding these causes helps target the most effective solutions. The first immediate solution is cable replacement. Replace your HDMI or DisplayPort cables with certified, high-quality options. Ensure secure connections at both the monitor and source device ends. Second, access your monitor's OSD menu using the button on the back. Navigate to System, then power save and disable the auto sleep timer or set it to maximum. Also, reset the monitor to factory defaults. Third, update your graphics drivers to the latest versions. This resolves compatibility issues and improves power management communication between your GPU and monitor. Finally, adjust Windows power settings by disabling USB Selective Suspend. This prevents the system from cutting power to USB-connected devices, which can interfere with monitor communication. These immediate solutions address the most common causes of Sceptre monitor power issues. Most users see significant improvement after implementing these fixes, with success rates of 60 to 70% for basic troubleshooting. When immediate fixes don't resolve your Sceptre monitor's power issues, it's time to move to advanced troubleshooting methods that address deeper hardware and software problems. The first advanced step is updating your monitor's firmware. Download the latest firmware directly from Sceptre's official website, making absolutely sure it matches your specific model number to avoid compatibility issues. Hardware improvements focus on ventilation and cleanliness. Poor airflow and dust buildup are major causes of overheating, which triggers the monitor's thermal protection and causes unexpected shutdowns. Environmental controls are crucial for long-term reliability. Maintain ambient temperature below 75 degrees Fahrenheit, use certified cables rated for your resolution, and ensure stable AC power with surge protection. Establish a regular maintenance schedule to prevent future issues. Check cable connections monthly, update graphics drivers and firmware quarterly, and consider professional cleaning annually after warranty expiration. Following these advanced troubleshooting steps and preventive measures achieves an 85% success rate in resolving persistent power issues, ensuring long-term reliability for your Sceptre monitor.